Today I'm going to show you how you can connect Pendrive to Android phone. So sadly, if you have only the Pendrive with the USB socket, it's not possible to connect it. You need the Pendrive with the USB-C. Now just input it to your phone. And if your Pendrive is formatted to your phone, you have to open the top menu and expand the charging connected devices. Now tap on the form or options, and if the Pendrive is formatted properly to your phone, you can select the file transfer here. But if you cannot, like me, open the top menu and look for the issue with USB drive. Now tap on the format USB drive, and after that you can use your memory stick on your smartphone. This is the way how you can do it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.